I'm always thinking about losing money as opposed to making money. Don't focus on making money, focus on protecting what you have. Don't be a hero. Don't have an ego. Always question yourself and your ability. Don't ever feel that you are very good. The second you do, you are dead. At the end of the day, the most important thing is how good are you at risk control. 90% of any great trader is going to be the risk control. Don't ever average losers. Decrease your trading volume when you are trading poorly. Increase your volume when you are trading well. Never trade in situations where you don't have control. For example, I don't risk significant amounts of money in front of key reports, since that is gambling, not trading. The secret to being successful from a trading perspective is to have an indefatigable and an undying and unquenchable thirst for information and knowledge. First of all, never play macho man with the market. Second, never overtrade. It is not that we had any unfair knowledge that other people didn't have, it is just that we did our homework. People just don't want to believe that anyone can break away from the crowd and rise above mediocrity. I really don't care about the mistake I made 3 seconds ago in the market. What I care about is what I am going to do from the next moment on. I try to avoid any emotional attachment to a market. The most important rule is to play great defense, not great offense every day. I assume every position I have is wrong. I know where my stop risk points are going to be. I do that so I can define my maximum drawdown. I spend the rest of the day enjoying positions that are going in my direction. If they are going against me, then I have a game plan for getting out. Intellectual capital will always trump financial capital. Prices move first and fundamentals come second. If I have positions going against me, I get right out. If they are going for me, I keep them. Risk control is the most important thing in trading. If you have a losing position that is making you uncomfortable, the solution is very simple. Get out, because you can always get back in. I believe the very best money is made at the market turns. Everyone says you get killed trying to pick tops and bottoms, and you make all your money by playing the trend in the middle. Well, for 12 years I have been missing the meat in the middle, but I have made a lot of money at tops and bottoms. Trading is very competitive, and you have to be able to handle getting your butt kicked. Where you want to be is always in control, never wishing, always trading, and always, first and foremost, protecting your butt. You learn more from your losses than from your gains. When you get a range expansion, the market is sending you a very loud, clear signal that the market is getting ready to move in the direction of that expansion. Trading gives you an incredibly intense feeling of what life is all about. After a while, size means nothing. It gets back to whether you're making 100% rate of return on 10K or $100 million, it doesn't make any difference. 5 to 1 means I'm risking $1 to make 5. What 5 to 1 does is allow you to have a hit ratio of 20%. I can actually be a complete imbecile. I can be wrong 80% of the time, and I'm still not going to lose. The whole world is simply nothing more than a flowchart for capital. Markets trend only about 15% of the time. The rest of the time they move sideways. Sometimes failure is merely chasing you off the wrong road and onto the right one. I am more scared now than I was at any point since I began trading, because I recognize how ephemeral success can be in this business. I know that to be successful, I have to be frightened. My biggest hits have always come after I have had a great period and I started to think that I knew something.